Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So tonight's a special night because it's Wednesday night grilling with the family. We've got a delicious lineup that's going to make your taste buds dance. We're going to fire up that Blackstone grill and whip some amazing tacos on it and refried beans. It's all about the comfort food tonight, you guys. But listen, we're going to also put in some colorful veggies to balance it out. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. So let's go ahead and start grilling. Okay, so to start it off, we're going to go ahead and chop up some bacon and chop up some onions. This is going to be the base for our delicious refried beans. The high heat will get the bacon crispy and the onions caramelized to perfection. So let's get this party started. Okay, and so now I'm going to prep those fresh veggies. I'm starting with the green onions, just trimming off the tops and the bottom just to get them ready. And then I'm going to do the same with these vibrant radishes, cutting off the butts and the tops. And once that's done, I'm going to gather them all up and get ready to toss them onto the grill. These veggies are going to make that perfect crunch to add to our meal. Now that the veggies are prepped, let me show you that I have this little setup here. Now I'm going to turn the first side, I'm going to put it actually on high, just so you know. And the other side, I'm going to put it on low. Okay, and I put the side on high, the one that have the bacon and the onion, so that it can cook really good and crisp up nicely. Okay, so now that our skillet's sizzling, it's time to get those veggies on the grill. And I'm going to start with a little bit of oil on the griddle and then add our green onions and the radishes. And I'm going to do like a quick toss, add a little bit of salt on it and a dash of ranch seasoning just to bring out those flavors. And then I'm going to cover them with this little silver dome to trap the steam heat in and to get them nice and tender. And while those veggies are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and add a bit more oil to the griddle and toss on some ground turkey. Now, this is going to be the star of our tacos, cooking up perfectly right alongside the veggies. It's all about building those layers of flavor. And if you don't like turkey, go ahead and do pork, or you can do beef, whatever your family enjoys. So now our bacon and onions are looking perfect, crispy and caramelized just the way we want them. So next it's time to add the beans. And I'm just using canned pinto beans to make this really easy, keeping it simple but tasty. We're going to just pour them in, and we're going to season with a little salt and a little bit of that ranch seasoning just to keep the flavor consistent. And then give them a good stir to make sure they soak up all the delicious bacon and onion flavor. And as they heat up, I'll start smashing them down until they are nice and creamy, and then you'll see exactly how they look. Now that everything is cooked to perfection, I've taken it all off the griddle, cleaned it up nice, and we're ready for the next round. So I'm going to start with a little spray on the griddle, and then I'm going to lay down some corn tortillas, and these are going to be the base for our tacos. Next, I'm going to add corn straight to the griddle, and then I'm going to cover it with the dome the same way that I did the other veggies, and add a splash of water to steam it. And I'm going to get the corn tender and juicy. And for a little extra kick, y'all, we're going to add some oil down and throw on some jalapeno peppers. And this is where the magic really happens. Like this, it's so good. And there you have it. Our meal's ready to go. You guys, we got fresh cilantro, we got some juicy tomatoes, some lime wedges, jalapeno peppers, creamy avocados, and a dollop of sour cream to top it all. We also got some corn on the cob, perfectly cooked rice, our flavorful refried beans, seasoned meat and warm tortillas, and those grilled veggies, right? Now, and of course, I can't forget to show you my family enjoying this delicious meal. My husband had a beer with his, and it's just a perfect way to end the night. Now, if you have any recipes you want me to see or make on the Blackstone Grill, go ahead and drop them in the comments. I'd love to give them a try. And don't forget to subscribe because I'll be bringing you new Blackstone videos every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.